Please switch off your cameras and microphones, everyone. Bansi, switch off your camera, switch off your microphone. Akshar, Henil, Swarit. अक्षर, आप क्यों क्लास में नहीं आते हो बच्चा? अक्षर, स्विच ऑन योर माइक्रोफोन.
मैम वो मैं नहीं उठ पाता हूँ जल्दी.
जल्दी कहाँ है बच्चा? दिस इज 9 o'clock. तो आप स्कूल में कैसे आते थे? अक्षर अक्षर अक्षर, आप स्कूल पे आते थे फर्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड में?
हाँ मैम.
मेरी बात सुनो, मेरी बात सुनो. हाँ, आप स्कूल पे आते थे कि नहीं आते थे इन सेकंड स्टैंडर्ड? तो तब कैसे उठ जाते थे, है ना?
मैम आपकी आवाज क्रेक हो रही है मैम. तो मैम ही नहीं है मैम, लेफ्ट हो गई तो कैसे आवाज? See, I wear cape.
राइट और रॉन्ग अक्षर? आप रात को जल्दी सो जाया करो तो सुबह जल्दी उठ जाया करोगे, है ना? पढ़ाई मिस करोगे, दैट वोंट बी गुड फॉर यू, है ना? ठीक, ओके चलो. नाउ आज चलो, आज उठ गया. आई वुड बंसी प्लीज म्यूट योर माइक्रोफोन बेटा. बंसी म्यूट योर माइक. स्वरित कैमरास ऑफ. चलिए अक्षर, we would want you to start the class with Gayatri Mantra 3 times. 3 times Gayatri Mantra. Yes, everyone please join your hands. And
Ma'am,
no, Akshar Karya. Akshar Karya.
क्या करना है मैम?
Gayatri Mantra 3 times.
ओके मैम. मैम ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. ओम भूर्भुवस्सुः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. नमस्कार मैम.
Shanti. Namaskar bachcha. Rub your hands. Touch your eyes. Take a deep breath.
गुड मॉर्निंग मैम. नमस्कार मैम.
Smile करो और very nice. You guys are keeping on and on your cameras also and videos also. Then I have to mute you. Chalo, Swarit, Bansi, Kashvi, switch off your mic, switch off your cameras. Okay. Chalo. Then only I'll unmute you all. Swarit, अपना कैमरा ऑफ कर दीजिए बच्चा. Now don't touch your phone unless I tell. Bansi, आपका माइक नहीं ऑफ हो रहा है. Bansi, are you not able to switch off your mic?
मैम माइक
No, you are not mute. You are speaking and I can listen that. चलो अब मैं यहाँ से आपको म्यूट कर रही हूँ. Nobody will unmute yourself without my permission. Clear? Whatever you want to talk, you can talk from chat. चलिए. Now, Hitat, first of all, tell me what have we done last? Hitat.
Yes, ma'am.
चलो, what have we done? Hitar.
Ma'am, last day I will not join the meeting.
You didn't join the meeting. Okay. Diya, tell me what have we done last? हम last क्या किया है?
Ma'am, we done our exercise of chapter 2.
Okay. Poem is done. Poem question answer is done.
No, ma'am. Poem question answers are not done. Poem question answers are not done.
Okay. चलिए, take out page 35.
Ma'am,
Yes.
आपने सॉरी पर ध्रुवील को वो चैप्टर रीडिंग करने किया था, पता है आपको? चैप्टर रीडिंग वीडियो करके भेजना है आपको। मैम, I am sure.
चलिए, Diya, can you tell me whether you guys are now? Everyone, mute yourself first. Mute yourself. Everyone. जिसका मैम यहाँ से नाम बोले, only they will speak. Otherwise, मैं क्लास के बाहर भेज दूंगी. चलिए, Diya Santoki, please tell me, have you written question number, chapter number 2's question answer in the notebook?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, question number 2's question answers are written, right? Chapter number 2's question answer. What does queen bee do and what do worker bees do? That is done, right? एक बार आपकी notebook check
Yes.
करो, whether it is done or not.
Ma'am, see my question answers of chapter 2.
Okay, chaliye. Now come to page 3535. Page 3535. Mute yourselves, everyone. Chaliye. Now, Henil Adroja.
Yes,
Start
ma'am.
reading the poem, first four lines of the poem.
Okay, ma'am. Wait, ma'am.
Page 35.
Grandparents are the best. Give you me love and guidance. You teach me right from wrong. You help me build up confidence. You teach me to be strong. Thank you,
Yes, very good. Thank you, Henil. Prachi Adroja, is she there in the class? Prachi?
I have doubt.
Wait, I have not even started explaining. Wait, Prachi is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Chaliye, next four lines, second paragraph of the poem.
I know you are always on my side. You are my biggest fan. Your love you never
try to
hide. You help me do everything I can.
Okay, stop. Harshil, the last four lines.
Yes, ma'am. But let's just have the story third. Let's just make me glad. Guess you're much more best
Then
than
that
what
you
I could
ever have. Right? By Anonymous. Thank you. Now I would request all of you to mute yourself. अपने आप को म्यूट करता है. Dhruvit, first you have to mute yourself and then you can do anything. ये बार बार बोलना पड़ता है, mute yourself. चलिए. So, grandparents are the best. Now, grandparents, we all know grandparents means dada, dadi, nana, nani, they are all your grandparents. So the poet says they are the best. Why they are the best? You give me love and guidance, you teach me right from wrong. You help me build up confidence, you teach me to be strong. Grandparents आपको क्या बोलते हैं? First four lines में poet has written, You give me love and guidance. They care for you also, they love you also. You teach me right from wrong, right? आपके grandparents, if you are doing more than required मस्ती अगर आप करते हो, then your grandparents, they don't scold you, but they tell you that this is how you behave. ये ऐसा करना चाहिए, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. You help me build up confidence, right? जब भी आप कभी मुश्किल में होते हो तो दादा दादी या नाना नानी, they are always there to help you. They tell you that you are wrong or you are right in this way. You teach me to be strong, right? अगर गिर जाते हो आप, मुझे नहीं पता आपके पास, मैं तो जब छोटी थी, जब मैं आई यूज टू रन एंड इफ आई फेल, माई नानी यूज टू टेल मी कोई नहीं, कीड़ी मरी गई, राइट? वी हैव नॉट सीन कीड़ी मरी गई, बट देन दे गिव यू द कॉन्फिडेंस टू स्टैंड अप. दे टेल यू दैट ऐसी छोटी छोटी मुश्किलें लाइफ में आती रहेगी. यू हैव टू बी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड यू हैव टू रीच टू द हाइट, राइट? सेकेंड पैराग्राफ. आई नो यू आर ऑलवेज ऑन माई साइड. You are my biggest fan. Your love, you never try to hide. You help me do everything I am, right? They, the parents, the grandparents which we have, वो हमेशा हमारी साइड लेते हैं. आप देखना, जब भी इस मामा इज स्कोल्डिंग यू और पापा इज स्कोल्डिंग यू, दादा या दादी होंगे, दे वुड टेल योर पेरेंट्स कि नहीं ऐसा मत करो, इतना नहीं लिखना होता है, नहीं लिखना है कोई बात नहीं, जाने दो, राइट? सो दे आर ऑलवेज ऑन योर साइड. दे कीप यू telling that they love you, right? They hug you, they tell you the stories. आप भी कभी उनका रिवर्ट में काम करते होंगे. These all things happen when you are having your grandparents around you. Third paragraph. But that is just half the story. The rest just makes me glad, because cause, apostrophe cause, that can be read as because you are much more than that. You see, the best grandparents I ever have. Right? Everyone is having their grandparents. किसी के गांव में होते हैं, किसी के आपके साथ फैमिली में रहते हैं. So the parents, the poet is telling that this all is half the story, because जो चीज आपने मेरे लिए किया है, the thing what you do, right? The love that you give me, the care that you show to me, it is out of this world, right? It is very good. And so you are the best grandparents that I can have. Clear? चलिए, इसमें पोयम में एनी डाउट, प्लीज राइट इट इन द चैट बॉक्स. प्लीज अनम्यूट मी. ओके Swarit. इट्स अ वेरी इजी पोयम Swarit. आई डोंट थिंक सो यू विल बी हैविंग डाउट. आपको कुछ और बात करनी है? यस Swarit, टेल मी.
Ma'am, you send this question answers of poem. We have to write in notebook.
No, you have to write in air. ऐसे हवा में लिखे. Obviously, when I have shared the PDF in the group, that means you have to write in the question answer book.
Okay, ma'am.
Done? Okay, sorry. Right? Poems question answer is already been shared. एक बार आज मैं वापस share कर दूंगी. What are the many things the poet grandparents do? तो grandparents हमको प्यार देते हैं. They give us love. They give us confidence. They tell us what is right from wrong. They help us build up confidence and so many things, right? What makes the poet glad is that they both are fan of grandparents are fan of the poet, right? And the way he shares his relationship, the poet shares his or her relationship with grandparents is glad. Why does the poet think that the grandparents are his or her biggest fan? आपने देखा अगर आपके घर पे कोई मेहमान आता है तो grandparents, दादी दादा ऐसा बोलते हैं, मेरा बेटा तो, मेरा Swarit तो ऐसा करता है, मेरा प्रयाग तो ऐसा करता है, मेरा कृषिव तो ऐसा करता है. So they start admiring you. आपके बखान करना शुरू कर देते हैं. So that is the reason that the poet says that they are the fan. मैं जो भी करूँ उसमें उनको अच्छा ही लगता हूँ. Now, fourth question. Come to the fourth question. Do you help your grandparents? That I have not shared the answer. Why? Because अगर आप अपने grandparents को, अच्छा वहाँ पे तो मैंने लिखा है, it can be your answer. Do you help your grandparents? Yes, I help my grandparents. Now you have to write what help do you actually do for your grandparents. Suppose like what I do is I take my grandmother to hospital. Or I give medicines to my grandfather. So whatever you do, any one or two things that you have to write. Question number 4 में. Clear? चलिए नेक्स्ट वन, फिफ्थ वन, राइट अबाउट 5 थिंग्स दैट योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स लव टू डू फॉर यू. दैट इज ऑल्सो योर आंसर, बिकॉज दिशा मैम तो आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स को नहीं जानते हैं. तो अगर कोई किसी के ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आपके लिए चॉकलेट्स ले आते हैं, somebody gives you मूंगफली ले आते हैं, somebody cares for you, somebody takes you to walk, किसी के ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आपको स्टोरी सुनाते होंगे, किसी के ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आपको दूध पिलाते होंगे अपना. सो यू हैव टू राइट दैट 5 थिंग्स दैट योर ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स डू फॉर यू. Clear? Last one, read the poem, underline the word with long and short sounds of O. Write them in the notebook that you don't need to do. चलिए, clear है? This much clear everything? Please type it in the chat box. Okay, okay. Question answer I have already shared in the group, right? If you want, your name, because I'm not shouting, that's why. Helen, type करो, क्या है? Type it in the chat box. My voice is very clear, becha. Bluetooth is okay. You have to do 5th one, yes, by yourself. Helen, आपको अपने हिसाब से करना है. Ways to do, yes. 5th question you have to do. Right? आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आपके लिए क्या करते हैं, दैट यू हैव टू डू. क्लियर? ओके. ध्रुवित, प्लीज चेक योर हेडफोन्स. बाकी सबको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आपका ही प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. मैम यू आर स्टक? ओके, गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. चलो, नाउ कम टू पेज नंबर 3737. पेज नंबर 3737. चलो, we are going to start a new chapter, that is Amazing Science. Now first of all, write today's date on the page. Today's date is, which is the date today? 36/21. Tomorrow we'll be starting with the new day. चलिए, डेट इज रिटन पेज 37. पेज 37, चैप्टर नंबर 3. Is the board visible to everyone? Type it in the chat box. Is the board visible to everyone? Okay, good. Thank you, Arkav. Okay, chaliye. Write today's date on page 37. Right? Chaliye. Amazing Science. Now in this chapter, you are going to learn something related to science. Science क्या है? सबसे पहले तो you know, scientists जो होते हैं, they ask questions कि सन क्यों डूब जाता है, सूरज क्यों, मून क्यों रात को आता है, एप्पल क्यों नीचे गिरता है, हवाई जहाज क्यों ऊपर उठता है. These are so many things that comes to your mind, right? And when you start finding the questions or finding the answers of this question, then you are doing something. Now there is a word, 2 words. मैं बोर्ड पे लिख रही हूँ, invention and discovery. डिस्कवरी तो मुझे लगता है आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा, बिकॉज यू हैव दिस चैनल डिस्कवरी, राइट? डिस्कवरी चैनल आपका. दैट मीन्स व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन डिस्कवरी एंड इन्वेंशन? द डिफरेंस बिटवीन डिस्कवरी एंड इन्वेंशन इज दैट डिस्कवरी मीन्स जो चीज ऑलरेडी अर्थ पे है, बस ह्यूमन बीइंग ने, हमने ढूंढी है, डिस्कवर किया है, राइट? Whereas invention is something that is man-made, right? That is man-made. Discovery is something that is already there. Nature ने बनाया हुआ है. We just discover it. And invention is man-made. Clear? Okay. I am going to unmute everyone, but without my permission, nobody will speak. Then only I'll unmute, because मुझे ये one-sided conference अच्छा नहीं लगता है. I really want to talk to you. but then everyone will start speaking at the same time is also not viable. Clear? So I'm unmuting every one of you, but without my permission nobody would speak. Otherwise class के बाहर थे. चलिए. Yes, Akshar, I am unmuting everyone, बच्चा. Yes, Akshar. Please, everyone, mute your mic. चलिए. Yes, Akshar, tell me.
मैम इन्वेंशन मतलब
तो वही तो मैं समझा रही थी. I was teaching that only, बच्चा. चलिए. Now listen to me very carefully. Ronit, mute your mic and listen to me carefully. Invention is something that man has made. हमने बनाया हुआ है. Aeroplane है, train है. This is all man made. हमने बनाया है. Right? Whereas discovery is something which God has made or naturally it is there. Clear? खाली इंसान ने उसको ढूंढा है. Right? So invention is a creation which is done by men, whereas discovery is something that is already existing. वहाँ पे है, खाली हमने ढूंढा है. We have discovered. चलिए, come to page 37. Come to page 37. There are 5 things written: aeroplane, telescope, Nile, satellite and moon's surface. Now इसमें से जो भी invention है, invention is man-made. You have to circle it, and the one which is discovery, you have to underline it. चलो, do it by yourself. Airplane, telescope, satellite, moon's surface and Nile. Nile is the name of the river, which is the longest river in the world. Right? चलिए. Now, can I request Rahil Arwadia?
Yes, ma'am.
Rahil, tell me which are the inventions. आपने कौन कौन से चीजें सर्कल की हुई है? What have you circled?
मैम इन्वेंशन यानी जो पहले से पड़ा होता है वो ना अर्थ पर.
नहीं 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 नहीं. Invention is that you have man-made. Invention is that we have created, man-made.
टेलीस्कोप,
Man-made.
एरो और
Yes.
सैटेलाइट.
Yes. Yes. So you have to circle all these 3, Rahil. Right? Correct? Telescope, satellite and aeroplane. ये 3 को circle कर दूं मैं, Rahil?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Prayag, tell me. Okay. Thank you, Rahil. Prayag, tell me. Underline. मैं किसको करूं? Whom should I underline? Prayag.
Ma'am, telescope.
That is discovery. Telescope already nature में था और हमने ढूंढा है. ऐसा है कि हमने बनाया है?
मैम हमने बनाया है.
So then that is this invention. See, listen to me carefully. Invention जो हमने बनाया है, man-made है, उसको you have to circle. And the thing which is already there, existing, उसको आपको underline करना है. प्रयाग, tell me मैं underline किस चीज को करूं? There are 2 things which I have to underline.
Which?
Tell
Ma'am,
me.
which underline?
Okay, leave it. Chalo, next. Krishiv Bhalani is there in the meeting. Krishiv?
Ma'am, I can tell.
No. Chaliye, Daksh is there. Daksh. Is Daksh there in the class? Okay, Bansi.
Yes, ma'am.
Bansi, tell me which are the discoveries?
Yes, ma'am. First, aeroplane.
नहीं बच्चा,
Satellite.
डिस्कवरी मीन्स विच इज ऑलरेडी देयर. आप क्यों समझ नहीं रहे हो? डिस्कवरी मीन्स जो ऑलरेडी अर्थ में है, हमने नहीं बनाई है. एंड इन्वेंशन मीन्स समथिंग विच वी हैव मेड. तो एरोप्लेन पहले ही था, पहले से ही था अर्थ में. जी
Ma'am, river.
टेल मी. So you have to underline Nile, The longest river. And which one more thing which I have to underline, Bansi?
Nile. Nile and longest river.
हाँ, that I have underlined. अब दूसरा क्या underline करूँ मैं?
Ma'am, I can say. Ma'am, I say. Ma'am, moon.
No, listen to
Moon
me.
surface.
Listen to
Moon,
me.
ma'am.
Yes, moon's surface. Yes, aeroplane, satellite and telescope. Mute everyone. Aeroplane, satellite and telescope are man-made. Whereas Nile and moon's surface, they both are discovery. Right? ये दोनों already exist करते हैं. Can you see my book?
Yes,
Is my
ma'am.
book visible? Okay, fine. Right?
Yes,
तो सबने
ma'am.
circle कर दिया. Satellite, aeroplane, telescope.
Yes, ma'am.
Aeroplane, telescope, satellite. Okay, fine. Chaliye, move to the next page. Come to the phonics fun. Kashyap is there in the class? Detharya.
Yes, ma'am.
Bacha, please read the phonics fun, the poem.
Okay, ma'am. Edison had a nice hat. He liked the way it sat on his round little head. So he held it while he fell. After many days and nights, the hat being like a tank. After hat great man. Now what is that after great man?
Favored, favored, favored.
Favored. Great man favored. A hat band. Thank you, ma'am.
Head bend, right? You're welcome, bacha. Now, question number 1 is your homework. Right? There are A sound and E sound. A sound को आपको, E sound को आपको blue color करना है and A sound को आपको orange color करना है. You can get, if you read the poem, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा the difference between the pronunciation. Clear? So tick it and mark it as HW. Everyone, exercise number 1, page 38. Tick it and mark it as HW.
मैम फिर से बोलिए ना, ब्लू कलर किस में करना है वो?
मैम रीड करोगे? आपको रीडिंग आता है? Tell me, you guys read. Listen to me, you guys, do you guys read? आप read करते हैं?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So when you will speak A sound, A E जो साथ में sound आएगा, जैसे head, slept, tent, that way. That sound would be in blue. And A sound, many, any, A और E का sound जब merge हो जाता है साथ में, right? That sound you have to color in orange. Clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Don't worry, I'll be sharing the answer key. Chalo, come to page 39. Come to page 39. Chaliye, Mahi is there in the class? Mahi.
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, Mahi. Can you see the board, bacha?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So on page 39, there are 6 boxes given like this. Right? अब यहाँ पे जो word है, you have to unscramble. उसको आगे पीछे करो and give me proper word. जिसका picture उसके बाजू में ही है. Tell me, which word is that? The unscrambled word is P-A-A-C-E-L. Now tell me the proper word. Which is this picture? Nobody else would say, huh? Only Mahi will say. Which is this picture? Okay, Hitarth. Hitarth. Yeah, please, give me the spelling. Which is the spelling of palace?
Yes, ma'am.
Mahi, what? Spelling of palace.
P-A-L-A-C-E.
Palace. P-A-L-A-C-E. Palace. चलिए एवरीवन, बॉक्स के बाजू में यू विल राइट दी करेक्ट आंसर, पैलेस। चलिए नेक्स्ट, हितार्थ।
Yes, ma'am.
हितार्थ, चलिए सेकेंड वन। आपकी बुक में देखिए विच इज द सेकेंड पिक्चर एंड विच शुड बी द स्पेलिंग।
Yes, ma'am.
L-I-P-E।
Listen.
हाँ, तो उसको अनस्क्रैम्बल करके प्रॉपर वर्ड दो मुझे। किसका पिक्चर है उसके बाजू में?
Pencil.
यस, कैन यू टेल मी द स्पेलिंग?
P-E-N-C-I-L.
Very good. Thank you, Hitarth. Suryaraj absent.
Right.
Ronit is there in the class? Ronit. Ronit. No. चलिए अक्षर, प्लीज अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ अक्षर। अच्छा, जो अनम्यूट
ma'am.
नहीं करेंगे उनकी मैं एब्सेंट डाल रही हूँ। चलिए अक्षर, द लास्ट वर्ड ओवर हियर, और उसका पिक्चर इस तरफ साइड में है। आई एम ड्रॉइंग द पिक्चर ऑन द बोर्ड।
Ma'am, net.
नो, एनीथिंग एल्स? नेक्स्ट से आगे? नो, नॉट दिस वन।
Carpet.
Yes.
Carpet.
Akshar, can you? Nobody will speak the answers. Akshar, give me the spelling
Right,
of
ma'am.
carpet.
Carpet.
Yes, it is right. Give me the spelling of carpet.
C-A-R-P-E-T-E.
No, C-A-R-P-E-T. Right? Correct. Very good, Akshar. देखो आज उठ गए तो इतना अच्छा काम हो गया। आपके घर पे है कारपेट अक्षर?
Yes, ma'am.
कितने हैं? बहुत सारे? ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट, सिया। सिया, come to this box. सिया कोरबड़िया। D-A-L-A-S. Siya, what is the answer? Spelling? Now, when you pronounce salad, it's not salad, it is salad. What is it? It is salad. How will you
Salad.
pronounce salad? S-A-L-A-D. Salad. Salad नहीं, salad. What is it? बच्चा आपका चांस आ जाए उसके बाद म्यूट कर दो, अदरवाइज इट कीप्स ऑन, आई गेट माई इको। वेरी गुड, थैंक यू। सो इट इज सैलेड, इट इज नॉट सलाड, इट इज सैलेड। क्लियर? चलिए म्यूट योरसेल्फ। चलिए नेक्स्ट वन, a place where you can see mountains and rivers and all, जैसे कुदरती दृश्य हिंदी में बोला जाता है, in the same way it is इंग्लिश में उससे बोलते हैं लैंडस्केप। व्हाट इज इट? लैंडस्केप, L-A-N-D, लैंड, S-C-A-P-E, लैंडस्केप। प्लीज राइट इट, L-A-N-D, लैंड, S-C-A-P-E, लैंडस्केप। चलिए लास्ट वन, Arav Kundaria.
Yes,
Arav
ma'am.
Kundaria. Please give me this sixth one. Sixth one.
Tent.
The picture is like this. Yes. Can you tell me the spelling, Arav?
T-E-N-T.
Very good. T-E-N-T, that we all know. Right? Chaliye, next. Nisarg is there in the class? Pari is there in the class? Pari?
Yes, ma'am.
Pari, can you please read all the words again? Everyone
Okay,
else,
ma'am.
please check.
P-A-L-A-C-E, palace. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil.
Yes. Then third.
C-A-R-P-E-T, carpet.
Very good. Fourth.
S-A-L-A-D, salad.
नहीं, क्या बोलना है उसको परी? How will you pronounce salad?
Salad.
You don't need to say
Salad.
Yes, salad. It's not salad. Salad. Then
L-A-N-D-S-C-A-P-E, landscape.
and last one.
T-E-N-T, tent.
Yes, very good. Thank you, Pari. चलिए. Now Kanishka is there in the class? Absent. Yasha is there? Yasha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yasha, please give me this pre-reading. Start reading the pre-reading.
What, ma'am?
Page 39, pre-reading. Can you see my book?
Yes.
चलिए, start reading this. Pre-reading.
This is a king crown.
King's crown.
The king
Yes.
doesn't know. The king doesn't know whether his crown is made up of pure gold or not. How can you help him to find out? Discuss with
your partner.
Discuss with your partner and share your answer in class.
Right? Now, thank you, Yasha. You need to see. मैं 5 minutes लेके फिर आपका class wind up करूँगी. Right? There is a crown. This story, as I told you, is about a scientist named Archimedes. Repeat after me. Archimedes. Repeat after me. नाम बोलो इनका. Archimedes. What is the name? Repeat after me. Archimedes. 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 Yes.
Archimedes.
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 Archimedes. Yes. पीछे का S भी बोलना है. Archimedes. Right? Very good.
Archimedes.
जैसे Archimedes, जैसे we live in Morbi, वैसे Archimedes lived in Syracuse. कहाँ रहते थे वो? Syracuse. कहाँ रहते थे वो? Syracuse. S-Y-R-A-C-U-S-E. Syracuse. Where he used to live? He used to live in Syracuse. Clear? Now, वहाँ के जो राजा थे, that king wanted to have a golden crown. Right? तो राजा ने बोला goldsmith को, the one who works with gold is known as goldsmith. So Raja told that goldsmith that go and make me a beautiful crown. So the goldsmith came with a crown after a few days. Raja ko, the king thought that this crown's color is not proper. So why not I get it checked from Archimedes? Archimedes was a scientist, he was a philosopher, he was a scientist. So the king called up Archimedes और उनको बोला कि ये check करो कि ये gold का है या नहीं है. Right? तो अभी तो हमारे पास बहुत सारे इंस्ट्रूमेंट है जो आपको बता देते हैं कि this is of gold, see this is of gold, this is not of gold. There are so many things now you understand, but at that time it was not knowing. So Archimedes was thinking कि मैं कैसे बताऊं कि gold का है, मैं कैसे सोचूं, मैं क्या करूं. While he was bathing, can you see that picture? जब वो नहा रहे थे bathtub में, his legs fell and he slipped into the bathtub. वो पानी में गिर गए. That rose to an idea. तब उनको समझ में आ गया कि अगर राजा ने उनको suppose he gave a bag of 10 gold coins राइट? तो आर्किमिडीज थॉट दैट वे कि जितना मेरा बॉडी का वजन है उतना ही पानी बाथटब के बाहर गया. दैट मीन्स इफ आई चेक 10 gold coins, if I keep 10 gold coins in the water and the water which is coming out, displacement जितना हुआ है, if it is same of the crown अगर मैं डालूं तो उतना, that means जो goldsmith है उसने properly crown use किए हैं. अगर उससे ज्यादा हुआ तो कोई और मटेरियल डाला है, और अगर उससे कम हुआ तो गोल्डस्मिथ ने वो कॉइन्स अपने पास रख लिए हैं. राइट? अब जैसे ही उन्होंने ये आइडिया सोचा, कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज 41, ही वेंट रनिंग टू दी किंग्स पैलेस. वो भूल गए, ही वाज शाउटिंग थ्रू आउट द रोड, यूरेका यूरेका. यूरेका मीन्स आई हैव फाउंड इट, आई हैव फाउंड इट. राइट? ही फॉरगॉट दैट ही इज नॉट वेयरिंग एनीथिंग. पूरा नंगू पुंगू, शेम शेम. कैन यू सी दैट पिक्चर? Right? He forgot, he was so deeply into the science, वो इतने genius थे, that he forgot that he has not won anything. वो नहा रहे थे. Right? And then he went to the king, he told the king, this is the experiment which I will conduct. मैं वहाँ पे 10 gold coins पहले डालूंगा, जितना पानी आएगा बाहर मैं नोटिस करूंगा. Then I'll put that gold crown of yours, and if उसमें जो पानी बाहर निकला वो और जो पहले पानी निकला वो सेम हो, इफ इट इज द सेम अमाउंट, देन दैट इज मेड अप ऑफ गोल्ड, अदरवाइज इट इज नॉट. तो राजा ने बोला कि जो भी एक्सपेरिमेंट आपको करना है वो बाद में करना, पहले वेयर समथिंग, पहले कुछ कपड़े पहन लो. राइट? एंड देन व्हेन आर्किमिडीज कंडक्टेड दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट, दैट टाइम the guys came to know that जो goldsmith था उसने पूरे के पूरे coins use किए नहीं थे, and so the goldsmith was punished. Right? This is the story. Understood the story? Story समझ में आ गई सबको? Did you guys understand the story? Repeat.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes,
so this is a story about. Okay. This is a story about.
8 minutes after.
I know. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं बेटा, आपका नेक्स्ट क्लास 10 o'clock है. दिशा मैम को पता ही है ना, दिशा मैम के पास भी घड़ी है. चलिए, दिस स्टोरी इज अबाउट विच साइंटिस्ट? Archimedes. Yes, Archimedes. Yes. And where did he live? वो कहाँ रहते थे? Cerasus. Where did he live? Cerasus. He used to live Cerasus. Okay. चलिए. Now Dhruvit is present, right? Arnab is present. Arnab Pathak?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am, Dhruvit
Arnab Pathak is present. Dhruvit, I know. Khushi is absent or present?
Ma'am, Radha is present. Ma'am, also Raghav is present.
This is the
I am not asking anyone, Disha. I have already taken your presence. Everyone, I have already taken. जैसे दिशा मैम क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं, the one who is replying, that is been marked as present. So you don't need to shout your name. Krishna, mute yourself. Swarit, mute yourself. आप मेरी बात सुनते हो? Do you listen to me? Swarit?